All right, friends, so today what you're going to be doing is you're going to go to your Google Drive when you get logged in. So remember, get logged in with your password, click on your user and put your password in. When you get in, you're going to go to your magnifying glass in the lower left corner, and then you're looking for your Google Drive triangle. So go ahead and get logged in, get to your Google Drive. Please push pause here until everybody's logged in. All right. Now that you're at your Google Drive, we are trying to get back to the holiday card that we started last week. So your card should look uh, similar to this one. It should have two blue boxes and an image somewhere on there that you put in there last week. Go ahead and double click to open your holiday card. So we ended last week with everybody having their image in, but we still had some work to do with resizing the image on our front card. So some of you were able to put your image right in place on the front of your card, and some of you still need to resize. So we're going to give you a little time to play with that image and get it all perfect, just how you want it. So remember to resize. I use the little handles around my picture. I have to click on the picture first. Use the little handle at the bottom to squish or stretch. You want to use the blue box over here on the side to line up your image with that blue box. So you want it to kind of match the width and the length of that box. Okay, so I'm going to make it bigger so that it fills this space. So go ahead and use your handles and resize your image and get it exactly perfect so that it lines up with this blue box across from it. Remember, at any time if you make any mistakes and you move something accidentally, use your undo tool in the toolbar. Okay, so again, if I need to move my image, if it's over here right now in the middle of my page and I need to move it, you click in the middle of the image and drag it to move. And the little red lines will help you snap it to center across from your blue box. So push pause here until everybody has their front image correct. All right, now we need to make our picture go to the back of the card so that my greeting will show up. Right now I can't see the greeting on the front of the card. So I need to right click. I need to click on the image so that I still have my blue boxes around it. And then I need to right click on the image. Remember, on the Chromebook, to right click, you use two fingers and gently tap on the rectangle trackpad. So right click, and then I'm going to go to Order and then Send to Back. That will put my picture behind my writing, and now you can see my season's greetings shows up on top of my snowman. That's what I wanted to do. So push pause here until everybody has their writing on top of their picture. Okay, so now I'm going to click away from my picture so that I don't have the little blue boxes around it anymore. And then I'm going to take my mouse and put it right over top of the words Season's Greetings and click so that it clicks inside that text box. Okay, so once I get my little cursor there, if I use a shortcut, Control, hold down the Control key, bottom left key on your Chromebook, and then A, it will highlight all of that text. And then you can use your toolbar to change the color of the text to be something different, whatever color you want it to be. You can change the font to be something different if you don't like the font that was there. And you can also just type right over top of that blue highlighting to make a different greeting. If you don't like Season's Greetings and instead you want to say Merry Christmas, I would say Merry, enter, and then Christmas for my Christmas to go on the second line. So go ahead and change your greeting on the front, change the font, the color, and the greeting itself. So go ahead and push pause here until everybody has that part done. Okay, now we are going to work on changing the picture on the inside of my card. Now this part we're going to use something different than we did last week. Last week we went to the Insert Image tool and we inserted an image right from that insert in search. But this week instead, we are going to go to the library website. So you should have a new tab open. So click to open a new tab and then go to the library bookmark. You should have a bookmark for the library page. Remember, it's the little blue box with an L. and click on that library page. Okay. Now, once I'm on the library page, I'm going to scroll down on the home page. I'm not going to the second grade tab like I normally do. So go to the second grade tab, and then you are looking for this image right down here on this first homepage Symbaloo. There's one at the bottom says clip art, and it says My Cute Graphics. Click on My Cute Graphics. All right, so now that you're on My Cute Graphics, down if you scroll a little bit, there's one that says Holiday Clip Art, and the very top option is Christmas. So I'm going to click on Christmas. Okay, mine's taking a little while to load, so just be patient. Okay, once I get here, you can see here at the top that I have this kind of trail of where I clicked, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 14 pages of different Christmas clip arts that you can use. So if I don't like anything on this first page, I would click over to number 2 and find something different. Okay, so just be patient as it loads. So what I want you to do is find a clip art that you like. The reason we're going to use these clip arts instead of that insert image is so that they're see-through. The background will be see-through, and so it won't put a big square on my blue kind of background over there on the other side. So go ahead and find just anything that you like, any image that you like, and then once you find one that you like in this clip art, all right, I'm just going to choose one here since so we can get going. So I'm just going to click on this one. You click on the image that you like, and what it does is it brings it open into its own window with a bigger version of that image. Now I need to put my mouse right over top of the image itself, and I again need to right click. So you're going to use your 2-finger tap on the rectangle trackpad to right click, and then I'm going to go down here to say copy image. Click on copy image, and then up here at the top I need to go back over to my tab with my holiday card so that I can now paste in my new image. So I'm going to right click again on the cards, anywhere on the card, right click again, 2-finger tap, and paste, and it puts that little image in my card. Okay, so now you're going to do the same thing we did with the front of our card. I'm going to get rid of my snowflakes by clicking on it and hitting the backspace key. I'm going to click on my new image, and I'm going to rotate them around so that it is facing the right direction, and I'm going to resize it to make it smaller. Okay, and I'm going to put that right. Remember, you can use your tools to squish it if you need to. Okay, so that's all we're going to have time for today. Next, this coming week, you need to be thinking about a greeting that you can write inside the card here, because these cards are going to go to people at the care center. So we're going to be thinking about a greeting. So next week, we're going to type our greeting on the card. All right. So that's all we have time for today. Go ahead and log out. Thank you.